Hey guys. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's look at some more cool tips and tricks for students. Let's start after the intro. Go to Google Play Store and search PhotoMath, then install it on your device. Today, this app is extremely beneficial to students like me who are learning how to solve math problems quickly. The app's background was impressive, with a lot of positive feedback and hundreds of downloads. And I'm sure some of you are aware of how useful this app is for teachers, parents, and students. This is the best app for math problems that I can recommend. Let's take a look at how this app actually works. Let's start with a simple example like 2 plus 2. Display solution by clicking the button. Click the Show Me How button. In addition, the app demonstrates how to obtain the answer for. This app provides an animated tutorial to help you understand how to get the answer. You can also find a variety of effective methods for solving math problems. Then let's try difficult example like integral of x plus 1 over x plus 2 dx. And this app will show you how to get the answer in a step-by-step manner. This is evidence that this app is extremely beneficial to students. Even the most complex math problems can be solved using PhotoMath. That's all for today. I hope you like it.